Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. This is ISRO Part 2. ISRO System for the Safe and Sustainable Space Operation Management on 7 March 2023. ISRO System for Safe and Sustainable Space Operation Management IS-4OM conducted successfully controlled re-entry decommissioned satellite Maha traffickers after firing 4 onboard 11 Newton thruster for 20 minutes each. A series 20 maneuvers were performed since August 2022, spending 120 kg fuel. The final telemetry data confirmed disintegration over Pacific Ocean. It was part of compliance effort following international guidance on debris mitigation. Other facility, Balasore Rocket Launching Station BRLS, Balasore, Bhaskaracharya Institute for Space Application and Geoinformatics BISAG Gandhinagar, Human Space Flight Center HSFC Bangalore, Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System IRNSS, Indian Space Science Data Center ISSDC, Integrated Space Cell, Indian University Center or Astronomy and Astrophysics IUCAA, ISRO Inertial System Unit IISU Thiruvananthapuram, Master Control Facility, National Deep Space Observation Center NDSPO, Regional Remote Sensing Service Center RRSSC. General Satellite Program. Since the launch of Aryabhata in 1975, number of satellite series constellation have been deployed Indian foreign launches. At present, ISRO operate one of the largest constellation active communication and each imaging satellite for military and civilian uses. Indian Remote Sensing Satellite IRSR, India Earth Observation Satellite, they are largest collection remote sensing satellite, civilian use in operation providing remote sensing service. In the all satellite are placed in polar sun synchronous orbit except GISAT provide data is variety of spatial, spectral and temporal resolution to enable several programs to undertaken relevant to national development. Initial version are composed by the 1A, B, C, D nomenclature of will later version were divided into subclasses named based on their functioning and uses including OZNZ, CatraSat, HYSIS, EMSAT, ResourceSat. At their name unified were prefix EOS regardless functioning in 2020. The support wide range of application including optical radar and indigenous satellite based regional GPS augmentation system also known as space based augmentation system SBS, part of satellite based communication, navigation, surveillance and air traffic management plan for civic aviation. The Indian SPA system has been given acronym GAGAN, GPS aided EO augmented navigational national plan satellite navigation including implementation of technology demonstration system DDS over the Indian airspace proof concept has been prepared jointly Airport Authority of India and ISRO. TDS was completed during the 2007. The installation of 8 Indian reference station different airport linked master control center located near Bangalore. Navigation with Indian constellation NAVIC. IRNSS with the operational name NAVICN, Independent Regional Navigation Satellite System developed by India, designed to provide accurate position information service user Indian as well as region extending up to 1500 km 930 mi from border, which is primarily service area. IRNSS provide two type of service, namely standing positioning service SPS, restricted service RS providing positions accuracy better than 20 m 600 feet and primary service 66 feet. Other satellite, the dynamic list may never be able to satisfy particular standard completeness. You can help adding missing item with a reliable source of Kalpana 1 MET Sat 1 was ISRO first dedicated meteorological satellite Indo-French satellite SARAL on 25 February 2013. SARAL satellite with ARGOS and Altica cooperated altimetry technology mission used to monitoring ozone surface top levels. Altica measure ozone surface Topography with accuracy of 8 mm 0.31 in compared to 2.5 cm 0.98 in on average using altimeters with a spatial resolution of 2 km 1.2 mi. Launch vehicle. During the 1960s and 1970s, India initiated its own launch vehicle owning geopolitical and economic consideration. 1960 to 1970, country developed sounding rocket and by the 1980 research had yielded satellite launch vehicle 3 and more advanced augmented satellite launch vehicle ASLV completed with the operation supporting infrastructure. Satellite launch vehicle known as SLV-3 was first space rocket to developed by India. Initial launch 1979 was failure, followed by successfully launch 1980s, making India sixth country in world with orbital launch capability developed by bigger rocket begun afterwards. Augmented satellite launch vehicle. Augmented advanced satellite launch vehicle ASLV was another small launch vehicle released in 1980s to develop technological record place satellite into geostationary orbit. ISRO did not have adequate funds to develop ASLV into PSLV once. Since ASLV suffered repeated failure, it was trapped favor for new project. Polar satellite launch vehicle. Polar satellite launch vehicle PSLV, first medium lift launch vehicle from India, which enabled India to launch all its remote sensing satellite into sun synchronous orbit. PSLV had failure of maiden launch in 1993 besides two other partial failures. PSLV has become primary workhorse ISRO with more than 50 launches, placing hundreds of Indian and foreign satellites into orbit. Decade-wise summary of PSLV launches. Geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle. Geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle was the envisaged in 1990 to transfer significant payloads geostationary orbit. ISRO initially had a great problem releasing GSLV development. CE 7.5 India took decades. US had blocked India from obtaining cryogenic technology from Russia, leading India to develop own cryogenic engines. Launch vehicle Mark 3 LVM-3, previously known as GSLV Mk-3, heaviest rocket in operation service with ISRO, equipped with more powerful cryogenic engine and boosters of GSLV, significantly higher payload capacity, allow India to launch all communication satellite. LVM-3 expected to carry a India first crewed mission to space and will be test bed for the SCE-200 engine, which will power India heavy lift rocket in the future. Decade-wise summary of LVM-3 launches. Small satellite launch vehicle SSLV, small lift launch vehicle developed by ISRO with payload capacity to deliver 500 kg 1100 IB to low earth orbit 500 km 310 mi or 300 kg 660 IB sun synchronous orbit 500 km 310 mi, launching small satellite with the capability to support multiple orbital drop-off. Decade-wise summary of SSLV launches. Human space flight program. The first proposal to send human into space was discussed by ISRO in 2006, leading to work other required infrastructure and spacecraft trial for crewed space mission began 2007 with a 600 kg 1300 IB space capsule recovery experiment. SRE launched using Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV rocket and safety returned to Earth 12 days later. In 2009, India Space Research Organization proposed budget of 124 billion rupees equivalent to 310 billion rupees US dollar 3.9 billion in 2023. Human space flight program and uncrewed demonstration of flight was expected after 7 years from final approval and crewed mission was to be launched. After 7-year funding, a crewed mission initially was not priority, left the back burner for the several year space capsule recovery experiment in 2014 and pad abort test in 2018 were followed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced 2018 Independence Day addresses. India will send astronauts into space by 2022 on new Gaganyaan spacecraft. At the date, ISRO has developed most technologies needed to such crew model, crew escape system, space food and life support system. Project would be cost less than rupees 100 billion rupees US dollar 1.3 billion would be included sending 2-3 Indians to space, altitude of 300 to 400 km, 190 to 250 mi, at least 7 days using GSLV Mk3 launch vehicle. Astronaut training and other facility. Newly established Human Space Flight Center HSFC will coordinate IHSF campaign. ISRO will set up the astronaut training center in Bangalore to prepare personnel for flight crewed vehicle. It will use simulation facility to train selected astronaut and rescue and recovery operation. Survival in microgravity and will be undertake studies radiation environment of space. ISRO had to bullet centrifuges to prepare astronaut for the acceleration phase to launch. Existing launch facility at Satish Dhawan Space Center will be have to upgrade $74 million. MOM was placed into Mars orbit 24 September 2014. Spacecraft had launched Mars of 1,337 kg 2,948 IB with 15 kg 333 and GLAC Cosmos agreement signed on July 2019 for the selection, supportive medical examination and space training for Indian astronaut. ISRO Technical Liaison Unit ITLU was to set up the Moscow facility to develop some key technology and establishment special facility which are essentially to support life space. 4 Indian Air Force personnel finished training at the Yuri Gagarin Cosmonaut Training Center in March 2021. Crewed spacecraft. ISRO is working toward of orbital crewed spacecraft can operate 7 days in low Earth orbit. Spacecraft called Gaganyaan will be basis of the Indian human spaceflight program. The spacecraft being developed to carry up to 3 people and a planned upgraded version will be equipped with a rendezvous and docking capability. It is first crewed mission. ISRO largely autonomous 3-ton, 3.3 short-ton, 3.0 long-ton spacecraft will be orbit with the Earth of the 400 km 250 mi altitude for the 7 days with a 2-person crew on board. Source of April 2013 suggest that ISRO was aiming for 2025 launch. Space station. India planned to bullet space station as follow program. Gaganyaan ISRO chairman K. Sivan said that India will not join the International Space Station program and will be instead of bullet 20-ton to 22 to short-ton 20 long-term space station and is one. It is expected to placed low Earth orbit at 400 km 250 mi altitude and be capable of harboring 3 humans for 15 to 20 days. Rough time frame 5 to 7 years after completion for Gaganyaan projects. Planetary Science and Astronomy. ISRO and Tata Institute of Fundamental Research have operated balloon launch base Hyderabad since 1967. Proximity of geomagnetic equator background where both primary and secondary cosmic ray fluxes are low makes it the ideal location. Study diffuse cosmic X-ray background. ISRO played a role in discovering 3 species of bacteria upper stratosphere and altitude between 20 to 40 km 12 to 25 mi. The bacteria highly resistant to ultraviolet UV radiation not found elsewhere. Earth leading speculation other than extraterrestrial in the origin. They considered extremophiles. Bacillus isrionensis. In recognition of ISRO contribution, balloon experiment which led to discover Bacillus aryabhatta after India celebrated ants in astronomy. Aryabhatta and the Genibacter hoyle after distinguished astrophysics Fred Hoyle. Astronaut. Astrosat 1 deployed configuration launched 2015. Astrosat India first dedicated multi-wavelength space observatory observation study includes active of galactic nuclei, hot white dwarf, pulsation of pulsars, binary star system and supermassive black holes located center of galaxy. Extraterrestrial exploration. Chandrayaan Mooncraft India series lunar exploration spacecraft. Initial mission included orbiter and controlled impact probe, while later mission include lander rovers and sampling mission. Chandrayaan 1 entering Chandrayaan 1 spacecraft. Chandrayaan 1 was India's first mission to moon. Robotic lunar exploration mission. included lunar orbiter and impactor called Moon Impact Probe. ISRO launched using modified version of PSLV 22 October 2008 from Satish Dhawan Space Center. It is entered lunar orbit on 8 November 2008 carrying high resolution remote sensing equipment for visible near infrared and soft and hard X-ray frequencies during its 312 days operational period. 2 years were planned. It is survived lunar space surface, produced complete map chemical characteristics, three-dimensional topography and polar region were special interest. They had possible ice deposit. Chandrayaan carried 11 instruments, 5 Indian and 6 from foreign institute space agency including NASA, ESA, the Bulgarian Academy, Science, Brown University, other European, North American institute and companies which were carried for free. Mission team was awarded American Institute of Astronaut and Astronautic Space 2009 award was the International Lunar Exploration Working Group International Cooperation Award in 2008, National Space Society 2009 Space Pioneer Award, Science and Engineering category. Chandrayaan 2 second mission to the moon, which is include orbiter, lander and the rover. It was launched geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle Mark 3 GSLV Mk3 22 July 2009 consisting lunar orbiter, Vikram lander, Pragyan lunar rover, all developed in India. What was first mission meant explore lunar south pole region. Objective Chandrayaan 2 mission was to land robotics rover to conduct various studies of lunar surface. Vikram lander carrying Pragyan rover was scheduled to land of near side of the moon south polar region, latitude of the about 70 south, approximately 1.50 am IST on 7 September 2019. However, lander deviated from intended trajectory starting from altitude 2.1 km 1.3 ma. The telemetry was lost second before the touchdown was expected. Review board concluded that crash landing was caused by software glitch. Lunar orbiter was efficiently positioned at the optimal lunar orbit, extending its expected service time from 1 year to 7. It was planned there will be another attempt of soft land on moon in 2023 without an orbiter. Chandrayaan 3 integrated module. Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft. Chandrayaan 3 India's second attempt to soft land on moon after partial failure. Chandrayaan 2 the mission will only include land rover set on the will communicate with the orbiter from previous mission. 23 August 2023 ISRO became the first space agency successfully land spacecraft lunar south pole region and only the fourth space agency ever to land on moon. Mars exploration. Mars orbiter mission MAM or Mangalyaan 1. Mars orbiter mission MAM Mangalyaan Mars craft was launched Earth orbit on 5 November 2013 by ISRO has entered Mars orbit on 21 September 2014. India has become first country to have space probe enter to Mars orbit. First attempt was completed, recovered low cost of $. Thank you.